Alright, how's it going, everybody? Today we got the 4Runner in the garage. It's up on ramps right now. And we will be changing the oil today. At 230,000 miles, obviously, regular oil changes are going to be our best friends. There's Zeus. And yeah, so without further ado, we'll get. So for oil, we'll be using this Mobile 1 extended performance high mileage. Got 7 quarts, as well as our, oh, there goes one, as well as our Toyota genuine parts oil filter. Okay, so you can see there's a nice little easy access for the drain plug, so that'll be easy. And you can see oil filter is right down there, just below everything. So yeah, we're gonna have to take that skid plate off.
One thing I failed to do is I probably should have grabbed a rag and put on some gloves. Well, that's alright. So we'll go ahead and place that right there. We'll clean my hand. And then very important that we monitor this. Last thing we want to do is for this to fill up all the way without us switching our bucket. Then we'll create an even bigger mess. But you can see this oil. It's not the worst. It's actually, probably could have gone another, yeah, probably could have gone a little bit further with it, but with a truck this high mileage, oil changes are going to be our best friend. Like this. All right. Ooh. In and around the oil pan. Then we'll grab our 14 millimeter. And we'll go ahead and slap this up. Very important you don't overtime this.
Okay, so last but not least, we have the oil filter. So this is we'll have some rags ready because I got a suspicion it's gonna spill into this this metal bar right here. This you can see that was really tight on there, kind of spent it in all kinds of places. So yeah, if you do your own oil changes, make sure you don't over tighten these, otherwise you'll have a big problem. It looks like the gasket's stuck too, so we'll have to get that out. Go ahead and just write on here 236.5K. Now we just want to wait a little bit, and then we'll check our oil level. In the meantime, we'll go ahead and put the skid plate back on the car. So we can see we're okay, maybe a tad overfilled, but that's all right. It will go down once we start the engine. So we'll let it run for a little bit. Okay, idle has dropped. Should be able to go check the oil level now. So yeah, we can see right at the top end. Another job well done for the truck. Suze is pretty bored. He really wants me to play, so I'll go do that for a little bit. And then we'll just check for codes. No codes stored in the manual, so yeah, we're good. All right, we'll just put her in the back seat for now. So yeah, that was an oil change on a 4.7. Not super difficult, other than maybe the skid plate. But yeah, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.